We're here in Turkey, and we've just had a really good tour through the Siesta Factory, and we're really impressed. Siesta is synonymous with quality. They've got excellent products, from the design of the product, from the creation of it, from mixing the ingredients to go into it, the production of the glass fibre, the polypropylene, cutting the materials, everything we've seen, we're really impressed with it.
As you said, Siesta quality is very important for the market. We use the top-level materials with the glass fiber and UV protection, as I explained to you. All of the products are UV protected in color, plus the material. Usually the competition is only using UV in the color masterbatch only. When we are using the UV also inside the material, so it is a double protection for Middle East or Australian weather conditions. So all of our products are checked one by one during the production process. If something happens with the batch, we can follow it with the production date and years. Products are under warranty for 5 years period of time, as you propose to your clients. So if there's a factory defect during this period of time, we are going to replace it as a mistake by us. So for the future, we will continue this quality level because this is our most important subject at Siesta Factory.